Welcome home! Healthy, organic, and easy by Michelle. Today we are making Welcome Home's super healthy and easy soy milk cold noodle soup. Didn't use soybeans, but tastes like soy milk and so delicious. Using all organic ingredients and sugar-free. So it's great for your kids and perfect for the hot summer. Let's make it! Personally, I prefer using regular milk because the taste is better, but I use oatmeal milk instead because it's healthier. This is a sugar-free homemade rice syrup. I have another video that shows where you can buy rice syrup with low sugar levels. Please check it out. Cold bean soup is done. Time to make noodles. Today's welcome home tip. All noodles have different cooking times. So let me show you how you can make a perfect noodles. When water starts to boil and bubbles up, put a half cup of cold water. And when it starts to bubble up again, add another half cup of cold water. That's it. So easy, right? I put some cucumbers and boiled egg for the nice look. Add a few ice cubes. Time to eat!
너무 고소하고 맛있다.